कौन हो तुम लोग? इस इलाके में धंधा करना है या झगड़ा? रघु दादा से पूछना पड़ता है, समझे?
ये क्या है?
चप्पल।
कौन सा?
कोल्हापुरी।
Kolhapuri chappals have always been popular, but hardly anyone knows that they are not made in Kolhapur. In fact, they come from a place called Athani in Belgaum district of Karnataka. There are many stories about how the name came about. One of them is that traders in Kolhapur misled buyers into believing that they were made in Kolhapur. Buyers often looked for a manufacturer in Kolhapur but found none, since all were based in and around Athani. Over the years, the demand for Kolhapuris shrank, increasing the competition among traders and artisans. These artisans, hailing from Athani and Nipani, were skilled only in making Kolhapuri chappals. Belonging to the Chammar or chappal makers community, they were forced to live outside the village and often worked as bonded laborers with footwear traders. They had to be content with extremely low wages. The women's role was never recognized. While men fashioned the sole, women traditionally attended to the uppers and the intricate braiding. In 1998, UNDP, under National Leather Development Program, approved a project for developing the artisan community of Athani and Nipani. CLRI provided the technology and NLDP the support for infrastructure and funding. Bangalore-based Ascent, the Asian Center for Entrepreneurial Initiatives, focused on developing the artisans' entrepreneurial capabilities. To begin with, Ascent created Women's-Only Savings and Credit Groups or SHGs to encourage artisans to become self-reliant. Regular meetings helped create an atmosphere of trust. However, men were not alienated. While money matters and the self-help groups were handled by women, men were included in training, exposure and all other matters.
And in our first meeting, a few things that came up were, one very clearly was the whole issue that the prices that we're getting for the chappals were very low. It's very important to look at increasing the prices. The other part which is very important for us was the development of an entrepreneurial attitude and entrepreneurial qualities among the artisans so that they could form a proper enterprise. Because of this, we were looking also at a distinctive name for this. And we were trying then to look at a wordplay of enterprise with an S, and how do you convert that, and the focus on the market, therefore enterprise with a C, E-N-T-R-P-R-I-C-E.
The price the artisans get for the products that they manufacture.
Our entire focus was transforming the artisans to entrepreneurs. Unless they become entrepreneur, they can't create enterprise. And that's why we talk about the three components of creating an entrepreneurship development. An entrepreneur without whom any business cannot thrive. And you have to create an enterprise in a given environment.
Litka and KVIC, who already had decades of presence, were co-opted into the project.
This common facility center is mainly made for the artisans of Athani and Tohol, where there are many machines which can be used in the footwear industries. We charge a nominal fee of 100 rupees per year for the members. The membership fee is 100 rupees. So, and for each machine it is charged on the basis of per hour this thing. So anybody can use it. not only to hold collaborative, any other artisan of Athani or out surrounding Athani.
The raw material bank has been set up to bring to the artisan varieties of leather and other materials which were not available locally.
When we came and talked to the business leaders here or the community leaders who are the big people of the community, most of them said, forget it, they are drunkards. Of course, they look at only men first, and then they said, you're wasting your energy and time, just don't bother. Then we realized, first of all, we need to convert these people, to look at these people as positive people, that they are changeable. So we said, why not we create a Rotary Club, because all of us were involved in a center more or less connected to Rotary.
Rotary, in fact, I should say that came to Athani only because of Ascent. And after that, Rotary has been helping these particular people, especially in health checkup camps. And also in, say, we have already established RCC, that is Rotary Community Corps, in that particular locality. So this way, and we have recently conducted an AIDS awareness program, and almost periodically every month or so we have been conducting some program or the other.
As part of the enabling process, training was imparted in technical aspects such as design, quality and finishing, and non-technical issues like social development and entrepreneurial skills. Unlike other development initiatives, Ascent took care to see that men were not left out. Married couples were given joint training in programs such as entrepreneurship development. This helped to improve gender relations at the household level.
आम्ही एडीपी ट्रेनिंगला गेलो होतो. मग तिथे 15 दिवसाचं ट्रेनिंग झालं. त्या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये उद्योग कसं करायचं आणि त्यासाठी काय काय लागतं आणि उद्योग करायचा असेल तर मालाची कशी काळजी घ्यायची, तसंच त्या क्वालिटीची काळजी कसं घ्यायची आणि स्वतःवर आत्मविश्वास असला पाहिजे, अशा विविध कारणे आम्हाला शिकवली. म्हणजे जर तुम्ही उद्योग कराल तर ह्यापैकी काही तर तुम्ही वापरू शकता, तरच तुम्ही चांगलं उद्योगशील आणि व्यापार चांगलं करू शकता, ह्याबद्दल आम्हाला शिकवलं.
Gradually, one could see a change among the